She was crowned at 9 months old, and doomed long before she ever learned the meaning of the word queen. Mary Stuart, lover, fighter, rogued, through life with beauty as her shield and tragedy as her shadow. From the moment she arrived in France, the courts whispered, she was too radiant, too clever, too beloved. And when her young husband, Francois II, died suddenly, Mary returned to Scotland carrying nothing but memories. And enemies. The nobles didn't trust her, the Protestants feared her. And every Catholic in Europe expected her to reclaim the throne with fire. But Mary was not the meek monarch they wanted. She followed her heart, recklessly, dangerously, and the world never forgave her for it. Her marriage to Lord Darnley began as passion and collapsed into terror. His murder stained her crown. Her love for Bothwell ruined her kingdom. And every mistake tightened the noose around her future. Elizabeth I watched from afar, seeing not a cousin, but a threat. By the time Mary realized she'd been outplayed, it was too late. One queen ruled. One queen fell. And the rogue heart of Scotland was silenced behind castle walls, waiting for the blade that history never let her escape.